Okay, when you come from the resort, which the lobby is that way, you come down here and this is all new. They've redone this. And the main thing that we're noticing is the paint is all different. They've repainted the inside and the outside. And the carpet is new. I think it's just a rebranding. I'm gonna insert a picture of the prices and the map right here. Zoltar from Big.
There was one outside too, and
Yeah, but his name wasn't Zoltar.
Oh.
That's Zoltar.
More?
From the movie Big.
It's only $1.
I am Zoltar, the great gypsy. I can see your fortune. Come see.
So all this color and everything in the ceiling here, this is all new from the last time we were here. And we're gonna go in here and see what's new and different and changed. There's an all-new adventure, Tomfoolery's in the Cave of Wonderment. This is the...
So I guess Stacy's just permanently attached to that rope.
Yeah. So this is the entrance from the resort. Summer hours are 10 a.m. to midnight.
They do still have the go-karts.
Oh, they do still have the go-karts, okay. This thing right here is new.
I don't want to. No,
That
it's
was-
not new. It's not new. It's not new.
Oh, I just never seen it going, I think.
No, you have. You have.
There's an ATM right when you come in the door.
We don't go on now.
No.
And look at
You can make one of those molds of a giraffe and a baby giraffe. There's a pressed penny machine. Kalahari Resort pressed pennies. There's this thing over here. I don't know what that is. Those are some kind of virtual games. And then there's the Ferris wheel. Okay, we're going to go see about getting the kids passes, which are a little less expensive because we are guests. Okay, we are at Tomfoolery's, and I asked at the front desk. Nothing has changed. It's still owned by Kalahari. They just rebranded and changed the name because they wanted to make it more family friendly or family focused, she said. And from what we can tell, none of the attractions have changed. It's just they repainted, they got new carpet, they have new shirts, the employees do, and they changed the name. But everything else appears to be the same. So, yeah. Okay, you can also enter from the parking lot out here, and you do not need to be a guest of Kalahari to come here to Tomfoolery's. So you can come in here, and I'm probably not going to talk much in here because it's really loud, so I'll just walk around. But if you come in from the resort, it's over there. Okay. I feel like they added all this jungle stuff.
Yeah,
that's
birds.
new, yeah.
It was there before.
I don't think so.
I remember.
Because this is new. That's That's new. That was part of the mini golf. Here's the rock climbing wall, which my kids have done all the way to the top. And then if you go that way and down the stairs is laser tag. Laser tag is included in the pass. They redid this. Look at. This wasn't gray like this before. There's claw games. Those chairs are new. So it's kind of a mix of rides and arcade games. There's a that wasn't that. What was it?
No, it was that. It was that.
No, it wasn't.
It was that. It was in that different.
It was a different ride. It was not that.
It was a roller coaster, but it wasn't that.
And that was different too.
No, it was called something different, but it's like a black hole.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. They've definitely changed some stuff. I'm not sure I like the changes. Over there, oh, they took out the thing and they took out that ride you guys liked and put the laser thing in over there. It's kind of a dead end. You get to the end and then you have to turn around and come back. And I just want to show you another thing. If you go upstairs, Megan's taking the stairs. So is Ben. I'm taking the escalator. I have to say I don't really think I like the changes. It doesn't, I don't know, it feels kind of cheaper to me now and not as nice with the theming of the resort as it did before. At the top of the escalator and the stairs is a bowling alley. And this has been re-themed too. It wasn't called Volcano Lounge before. They basically just re-themed and redecorated. And over here, so, I mean, there's a big bar area up here and some gambling games. Now, granted, I've never been in here at night, but I've never seen any people in here in my life. I'm assuming it gets busy at night. There's pool tables, video games, and then you have a view of the indoor theme park, the go-kart track. Yeah, I really don't like what they did to the mini golf. It was way prettier before, and they kind of wrecked it. It makes it look cheap, I